The trunk of our curly willow is staying so small, we have to keep it staked. Do I need to trim the limbs until the trunk gets bigger? And this is Bunny. Now, let's go back here for a second. So the trunk is staying small. I wonder if it's been staked this whole time.
Well, that's a good question. We don't know because we don't have a picture.
Right. I remember you telling us this before, right? So what makes the trunk strong, right?
We have to, the trunk has to move just a little bit because it has to produce reaction wood to make it stand up straight. And if it's staked the whole time, it never develops that reaction wood. So when you take the stake off, it'll just fall over.
Right.
But, you know, I don't know. Also, does it have one central leader? Or does it have a whole bunch of branches that are trying to lead to be the tall tree?
Okay.
And if that's true, then I wouldn't cut them off, but I would cut them back and leave one to be the central leader, because, you know, this is apical dominance. You know, something's got to lead, and you've got to make sure that one of them is going to be the leader.
Okay. All right. So there's a couple of things going on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had a picture really
yeah,
help us out
nice
a little bit.
to have a picture.
Right. But yeah, you don't want to keep these, trees staked forever.
No, not forever.
Because they need to build up that girth, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.